Mathematical Reasoning GED test questions. Question 1. Find the perimeter of a rectangle with sides 10 and 5. Option A, 50 units. Option B, 15 units. Option C, 25 units. Option D, 30 units. The correct answer is option. Perimeter adds all sides, 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 equals 30. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it calculates area instead of perimeter. Option B is wrong because it counts only one length and one width. Option C is wrong because it doubles only one side length. Question 2. In a survey with counts 18, 11, 23, 7, what fraction belongs to group A? Option A, 59/18. Option B, 18/23. Option C, 11/59. Option D, 18/59. The correct answer is option. A fraction of a group is that groups count over the total count. Group A is 18 out of 59. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it reverses part and whole. Option B is wrong because it divides by the largest count instead of the total. Option C is wrong because it uses a different group count. Question 3. A club starts with 32 tickets, receives 17 more, then sells 12. How many remain? Option A, 37. Option B, 5. Option C, 61. Option D, 3. The correct answer is option. Update the count in order. 32 plus 17 to 12 equals 37. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it ignores the starting amount. Option C is wrong because it adds the sold tickets instead of subtracting them. Option D is wrong because it subtracts the tickets received. Question 4. Convert 3 hours and 30 minutes to total minutes. Option A, 330 minutes. Option B, 210 minutes. Option C, 33 minutes. Option D, 150 minutes. The correct answer is option. Convert hours to minutes first. 3 times 60 equals 180, then add 30 to get 210. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it treats time like base 100. Option C is wrong because it adds hours as if they were minutes. Option D is wrong because it subtracts the extra minutes. Question 5. Add 6.4 plus 4.5 without losing the decimal point. Option A, 1.9. Option B, 10.9. Option C, 1.09. Option D, 109. The correct answer is option. Line up the decimal points and add the tenths. 6.4 plus 4.5 equals 10.9. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it subtracts instead of adding. Option C is wrong because it shifts the decimal one place too far. Option D is wrong because it ignores the decimal places. Question 6. Find the midpoint of -6, 0, and 0, 0. Option A cannot be determined. Option B, 6, 0. Option C, -6, 0. Option D, -3, 0. The correct answer is option. Average the x values and the y values. The midpoint is -3, 0. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option B is wrong because it finds the horizontal distance, not the midpoint. Option C is wrong because it adds the x values without dividing by 2. Question 7. A table has x values 0, 1, 2, 3, and y values 5, 9, 13, 17. What is the rate of change? Option A, 17. Option B, 5. Option C, 4. Option D, 9. The correct answer is option. Each time x increases by 1, y increases by 4, so the rate of change is 4. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it is a y value, not the change per x. Option B is wrong because it is the starting value when x is 0. Option D is wrong because it adds the starting value to the rate. Question 8. Divide 48 by 4. Option A, 52. Option B, 44. Option C, 0.08. Option D, 12. The correct answer is option. Division asks how many groups of 4 fit into 48. The quotient is 12. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds the numbers. Option B is wrong because it subtracts instead of dividing. Option C is wrong because it reverses the division. Question 9. Which fraction is larger, 2/5 or 4/5? Option A, 4/5. Option B. They are equal. Option C. Cannot be compared. Option D. 2/5. The correct answer is option. Compare cross products. 2 times 5 equals 10 and 4 times 5 equals 20, so the larger side identifies the larger fraction. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because the cross products are not the same. Option C is wrong because fractions can be compared by using common denominators or cross products. Option D is wrong because cross multiplication shows it has the smaller value. Question 10. Find 20% of 160 before the numbers get hidden in a word problem. Option A, 32. Option B, 180. Option C, 8. Option D, 140. The correct answer is option. Convert 20% to 0.2 and multiply by 160, which gives 32. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds the percent number to the base. Option C is wrong because it divides by the percent number instead of converting it to a decimal. Option D is wrong because it subtracts the percent number from the base. Question 11. A recipe uses 3 cups of rice for every 8 cups of water. How much water is needed for 18 cups of rice? Option A, 26. Option B, 8. Option C, 24. Option D, 48 cups. The correct answer is option. The rice amount is multiplied by 6, so the water amount must also be multiplied by 6, giving 48 cups. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds the original water amount after scaling only rice. Option B is wrong because it uses the original recipe without scaling. Option C is wrong because it multiplies the 2 original ratio parts. Question 12. 2 independent events have probabilities 1/3 and 1/3. What is the chance both happen? Option A, 0. Option B, 1/3. Option C, 2/3. Option D, 1/9. The correct answer is option. For independent events both occurring, multiply the probabilities. 1/3 times 1/3 equals 1/9. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it subtracts probabilities, which does not model both events. Option B is wrong because it keeps only one event's probability. Option C is wrong because it adds independent probabilities instead of multiplying for both. Question 13. Find the range of the scores, 41, 43, 28, 42, 34, 21. Option A, 22. Option B, 34.83. Option C, 41. Option D, 64. The correct answer is option. Range equals highest minus lowest, so 43 to 21 equals 22. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it finds the mean. Option C is wrong because it chooses a middle value instead of comparing highest and lowest. Option D is wrong because it adds the extremes instead of subtracting them. Question 14. In the line y equals 4x plus minus 6, which number is the y-intercept? Option A, x. Option B, 4. Option C, 6. Option D, minus 6. The correct answer is option. In slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b, the y-intercept is b, which is minus 6. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because the intercept is a number where the line crosses the y-axis. Option B is wrong because it is the slope, not the y-intercept. Option C is wrong because it changes the sign of the intercept. Question 15. 2 angles in a triangle are 55 degrees and 80 degrees. What is the third angle? Option A, 100 degrees. Option B, 125 degrees. Option C, 135 degrees. Option D, 45 degrees. The correct answer is option. Triangle angles sum to 180 degrees, so subtract the 2 known angles. 180 to 55 80 equals 45 degrees. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it ignores the first known angle. Option B is wrong because it ignores the second known angle. Option C is wrong because it adds the known angles but does not subtract from 180 degrees. Question 16. A chart shows 28 students chose online study and 54 chose books. How many more chose the larger group? Option A, 82. Option B, 54. Option C, 26. Option D, 28. The correct answer is option. How many more asks for a difference, so subtract the smaller value from the larger value to get 26. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it gives the total rather than the difference. Option B is wrong because it selects the larger group but does not compare the groups. Option D is wrong because it selects the smaller group. Question 17. If 24 flyers are shared equally among 6 tables, how many flyers go on each table? Option A 144. Option B 30. Option C 4. Option D 18. The correct answer is option. Equal sharing means divide the total by the number of groups. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it multiplies the total by the number of tables. Option B is wrong because it adds instead of dividing. Option D is wrong because it subtracts instead of dividing. Question 18. Convert 4 liters to milliliters. Option A 1004 ml. Option B 4000 ml. Option C 400 ml. Option D is 0.004 ml. The correct answer is option. 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters, so 4 times 1000 equals 4000 ml. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it adds the conversion factor. Option C is wrong because it uses 100 instead of 1000. Option D is wrong because it divides instead of multiplying. Question 19. Select the greatest decimal from 4.9, 5.9, and 3.6. Option A. They are equal. Option B. 3.6. Option C. 4.9. Option D. 5.9. The correct answer is option. Compare tenths first and then hundredths if needed. The greatest value is 5.9. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because the digits show different values after the decimal point. Option B is wrong because it is the smallest value after aligning decimal places. Option C is wrong because it is between the other two values. Question 20. Find the distance between -1, 4, and -1, 8 on a vertical line. Option A 4. Option B 5. Option C 12. Option D 0. The correct answer is option. For a vertical segment, distance is the absolute difference of the y values. 8, 4 equals 4. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds coordinates from one point. Option C is wrong because it adds y values instead of subtracting them. Option D is wrong because it uses the exchange, which is 0 here. Question 21. Which point lies on y equals 1x plus 0? Option A, 1, minus 1. Option B, -1, -1. Option C, -1, 0. Option D, 0, -1. The correct answer is option. Substituting x equals -1 gives y equals 1, -1, plus 0 equals -1. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because changing the x value changes the line calculation. Option C is wrong because the y value is 1 unit too high. Option D is wrong because using the new x value would require a different y value. Question 22. Multiply 13 by 13 quickly. Option A 156. Option B 26. Option C 169. Option D 182. The correct answer is option. Multiplication means 13 groups of 13, which equals 169. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it leaves out one group. Option B is wrong because it adds the factors. Option D is wrong because it adds one extra group. Question 23. Convert the mixed number 6 and 3/5 into an improper fraction. Option A 33/5. Option B 6/8. Option C 27/5. Option D 9/5. The correct answer is option. Multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. 6 times 5 plus 3 equals 33. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it places the whole number over a changed denominator. Option C is wrong because it subtracts the numerator even though the mixed number is positive. Option D is wrong because it adds the whole number to the numerator without multiplying by the denominator. Question 24. A calculator shows 7% sales tax on $120. What total should be paid? Option A $127. Option B $113. Option C $128.40. Option D $8.40. The correct answer is option. Find the tax as 7% of $120 and add it to the original price, giving $128.40. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds the tax rate as a dollar amount. Option B is wrong because it subtracts the tax rate as dollars. Option D is wrong because it shows only the tax, not the full total. Question 25. Simplify the ratio 20 to 60 so it is ready for a get answer choice. Option A 1:3. Option B 40:80. Option C 3:1. Option D 20:60. The correct answer is option. Divide both parts by their greatest common factor, 20, to get 1:3. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds instead of dividing by a common factor. Option C is wrong because it reverses the order of the comparison. Option D is wrong because it leaves the ratio unsimplified.